So welcome back to my channel. So I'll be teaching you how to install the GC Hype script 2024. So you can see how we're going to install the GC in your cPanel. So let's create an email account on your cPanel. And we are going to create an email. Let's call it admin or username. Then let's do this. Then let's create our account. So after that, let's create our database. So let's say demo as, then let's create our data. So copy this. Maybe we can call this. Then let's create our username. Let's call it user or anything you want to call it. Then let's put a password, or let's generate a password. Let me use that. Mm, it's password. So say use password. So let's create the user. So you can copy the user, database user, and paste it here. So let's head back. Let's head back now here. So let's add our user to the database. So select the user and the database, corresponding database. So click on all privileges, then make changes. So after that, go back. Because we are working on PHP 7.4, so click on multi PHP manager depending on the script. So we are using 7.4 up, so we can go with 7.4 up. So we take it, and then let's apply. So let's go back to our cPanel. So let's open our file manager and upload the script. So this is your file manager. Go to public HTML, upload. Then you will get the script. Just message me. You can get the script from me. Upload. Let's wait for it to upload. So it's done. So we go back and then we extract the script. GC Hype Manager script 7.4. So it's done now. So let's open the website. You can see once you open it and load, it says delete. So you want to install it, your domain or your URL / install.php. So click on enter. So this is your interface. So let's move on fast. Put your email, admin, your system email. So I can decide to use my admin email and my user email once. So you can change that if you don't want two of them to be the same. So you can also now come to our database. Let's take our database. This is the database here. So database name, database user, pass, okay, username. Then let's go. This is the password that we generated on our database. So it's required here now. So put it here. So for your admin login and admin password, you can decide to use uh, any password of your choice. So you can decide to use something like let's say admin 267. Then let me say I can still decide to use two of them, the same thing. So it depends. You can still put a different password and a different username. So you click on install. So you can see that is loading. You can see that. You can see that it's loading. So this is how you can install your GC Hype script on your cPanel. Very easy, very simple, and very accessible to anybody. So let's wait. I think I'm having an internet. Um, okay. So let's wait for it. Wonderful. So installation is done. So let's click on the website now. Let's reload. Let's reload the website and see.